Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for another 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We got is that a 2X or a 1X?
1X.
1X. Classic cotton tee. I think she has a little bit different of a pattern planned for this one than normal. A beautiful heart pattern.
Yes. Oop, the hole.
Yeah. Gotta watch out for the hole. The umbrella hole, we have a plug for it somewhere. Who knows where now?
I was about to say.
No, I think I know where it's at. I think it's in my drawer of random stuff. Nice, beautiful heart pattern. Bands.
My hands are freezing.
It's pretty cold out here, people. It's, I don't know. I think the high today was 43. It's not 43 though. It's pretty chilly.
Yeah, to say the least.
And we're in the deep south, so it doesn't normally get 43 here. Not too often.
I don't have clothes for this kind of weather. We'll see how this turns out.
Yeah, hopefully it does alright.
It's supposed to be a heart for Valentine's Day.
Hey, we're closing in on it. Happy Valentine's Day on there.
Happy Valentine's Day, Dad.
Belated? Not belated, but prelated?
Prelated.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hit the dyeing rack. The rack of color.
I need a black too. Do we have a black?
Yes, I think we have a better black in there actually.
We have a mist gray.
We certainly have mist gray.
No, let's just go with, oh wait, here we go. Is that it? Okay.
Yeah, there should be better black or new black.
This is better black.
I thought we had better black. Some better black. A little bit of dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. It's got some
It's got some chunkiness to it, some alginate in it.
alginate. That's what I was trying to say.
A little bit of sodium alginate. They really need to be shaken really well. We shook them good before we started, but yeah. It's been a little while.
And then this back part is going to be like a scrunch.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So we'll put,
Is that fire red?
yeah.
Ooh. I like the fire red. We don't use it very often. We should, though. I think it needs a real good shaking. It needs a proper shaking.
Okay.
I didn't shake that one, so. Some more orange sorbet.
How much of that do we have?
And that's a good little bit of glacier there.
What if we did glacier? I'm trying to make the scrunch contrast with the heart.
I got you.
And maybe some fuchsia red,
Yeah.
a different color red.
No, this is off topic, but I want to do one with that glacier blue and that like orange sorbet or the deep orange, you know, to make like a cool sunset type looking pattern. Yeah.
That would be cool.
Gotta make sure and add that one to the idea book. Drop a comment below or a like below if you'd like to see a glacier blue, orange sorbet, deep orange sunset. Okay, so all told on this one, are you doing any other colors or not?
No, that's it.
Okay, so it'll just be, and what color is that?
This is fuchsia.
Fuchsia red. Okay.
Yeah.
So all told on this one, we have Better Black, Citrus Yellow, Fuchsia Red, Dragon Fruit, Fire Red, and Glacier Blue.
Ended up not using the orange sorbet.
Nope. I almost called it out, but I was like, oh, no, sorbet.
Okay, flip it over.
Do the flop. Flip it to the flop.
Okay. And we did dragon fruit up here. And we did Better Black right there.
Yep.
And then we did put that yellow up. And then we did Fire Red. Then we did
Glacier Blue.
Glacier Blue, stripes of it.
Yep. And a little bit of that Fuchsia Red. Another one we should probably use a little more often. It doesn't stick as good, but it does add some very nice colors. You just have to be a little more liberal with it, I guess you'd say. On stuff like this, though, when you're pairing it with a glacier blue, it does quite well, actually. That makes a very beautiful blend, too.
And then it looks like pink and purple and blue.
Gives you a good range.
Good gradient.
It's one that definitely works better when you like pair it with a good comparable dye. It's not too overbearing as well.
One more little spot. Okay.
You'll have a little bit of white left in there, and all that'll look good.
Should be good now. Oof.
Alrighty.
Alright, you want to take it to the dyeing rack?
To the
drying rack.
Yeah, see, you're doing me now.
Oh.
We can get the drying rack. Whoop. Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.